Hi guys, what's up? It's Color85 back in another unboxing. This time as you can see it's for the Outer Worlds on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing this. It's basically Fallout New Vegas in space. So yeah, it's made by Obsidian as you can see. So yeah, all this is like embossed as well. I don't know if you could see that. Ah yeah, there you go. There you go. Yeah, it's all embossed, so that's cool. So there's the side, the Outer Worlds. And there's the back. And it says all that. If you want to read that, then go ahead. The character customization looks cool as anything in this as well. Up to 40 gig install, but I believe there's like a 28 gig patch or something. But yeah. Space's choice is not responsible for any feeling of vertigo, wonder, or hunger you may experience while playing this game. Welcome to the future. Try not to break it. But yeah, so inside we have the disc, and we have just a manual with a little advert for Spratwurst. Non-organic. Less than 8 fried morsels. Made by Spacer's Choice. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for the Outer Worlds, guys, on the Xbox One. If you like this, please be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you later. Thank you. Bye bye.